Hello, hi, and welcome to Sandpaper. So, this is the second episode, but day 2 of Crack APSCC in your first attempt and learn from an officer who has done it by herself. That is me. So, I am Ashmita Ba. This is me, smiling here as well and in the camera as well. And I secured rank 9 in APSCC 2019 in Assam Land and Revenue Service. And that was my first attempt. So I was 23 years old when I cleared my exam, and today 17 Jan amar appointment day asile. So had I been in service, ready to resign nidilu today had been my the 6th anniversary of being in service, but no, my 5.5 years old I quit. So unfortunately today is not the 6th year ka anniversary for me in service, but the date will be always memorable. And in this date only I decided ki chalo, let us teach students how to crack APSCC in their first attempt. So I understand cracking APSCC to a dangor kotha. APSCC crack koratu in itself is a big thing. And I also have heard people speaking je first time to ami trial disilu and second bar hai ami bhalke dim, second time o adha adhura hol, third time to hai ami bhalke dim. And you must have heard me talking multiple times. I don't believe in this trial things. I don't believe in this second attempt, third attempt. I believe in one good attempt. That is what I believe in. I believe in a do or die attempt. You must have heard me speaking this. Duta bostu moi praye bhag ko keta seat ulai apna matlab hobo na lage, because akon apna keta hai seat lage, you will sit in one seat. And one attempt that I care about is your do or die attempt. So jodi apunar first attempt to is not your proverbial actual first attempt. I am not talking about your actual first attempt. I am talking about your first do or die attempt. Jodi apni eta do or die attempt di diya, apunak first or beyond jabo na lage. This is what I think. So my first attempt was junto more prothom actual physical first attempt junto asile hetu more do or die attempt asile, because amar time on exam hoisile 2 years. So jaute exam to dute amar do or die obosa hoye gosile. Okay, so this was my actual first attempt and also my do or die attempt, and there were plethora of things that went right. Aru what went right, hetur porai moi episode banai asu. Day 1 hoi gol how to read current affairs, but moi bare koisu to avoid current affair analysis. I keep on saying this, I'll keep on saying this, and etu unpopular opinion hoy moi janu, kyunki current affairs analysis ba newspaper analysis, not current affairs analysis, newspaper analysis burake dekhu mane view pai. People love newspaper analysis, 12k, 13k views come. Okay, but I also have to say this, कि all popular things are not correct. So, hetu mo day 1 or asile, I will try to put that below, link ot moi logai dim, day 1 or junto amar video asile. And dar pisar ami dher message palo je please come with day 2, and day 2 aaya 2 mahine baad. This is what we are doing. And today we are addressing a very important point, that is mains answer writing or answer writing for mains. So there is a whole lot of sior bakhor around mains answer writing. Itia prelims or ekmahor agoto I am getting calls from people je ma'am mains answer writing ketia arambho kori ase. So there will be certain things that I will be addressing here in this video. And I think that is very important for you to understand. Again I say, a trend में भागने जाने से your attempt will be wasted. Okay, so ami mains answer writing or trend dot bhagi bana jao. We will very carefully understand what is it, why is it, how is it, and when we should start it. Okay, so let's move ahead. So prothom kotha to hol, what is mains answer writing? Mains answer writing no hoy ki. To be honest, আমি যেটা 2019 এর এক্সাম দিছিলো, 2019 এর তো ৰিজাল্টে ওলাইছিলে, 2018-19 এর যেটা এক্সাম দিছিলো, তেতিয়া মেইনছ আনসাৰ ৰাইটিং এৰ কনসেপ্টটো এপিএসসি মজাৰত ইমান ভালকে আহা নাছিলে। একদম ফ্যাক্চুয়ালি কারেক্ট কথা। So I had come from a UPSC ecosystem. I was in Delhi. So I was from a UPSC ecosystem. So that mains answer writing ka kafi craze asile and ami mains answer writing kori ahisilo. So it was funny for me when I came here and asked a couple of my friends who actually did not make into like APSC. So when I asked them ki answer writing koriso neki, then they asked me this very important question, je answer writing mane ki? And that gave me a kind of a culture shock. Etu ma aji pa 6 বছৰ আগৰ কথা কৈ আছো, 6 years ago. তেতিয়া মই answer writing হয় কি বুলি হচ্ছে যে তই বলে মেইনস লিখিছো, how do you not know mains answer writing হয় কি? So তেতিয়া I realized যে আজিৰ পৰা 6 বছৰ আগতে mains answer writing as a concept or a practice related concept did not very popularly exist in APSC. Know me personally from a very long time, they will know that that's why I actually started Sandpaper 1.0, because there was no proper mains answer writing program in APSC way back in 2019, and hence I actually become a very credible person to talk about mains answer writing, being the oldest mains answer writing program founder, that is Sandpaper. You must not know because ami popularize no koro. Like I say, I don't have loudspeakers to talk about it, but word of mouth is what I have, and by that many of you already know that's how Sandpaper 1.0 started. Ita mains answer writing mane ki? Mains answer writing whole your mains mock practice. Okay, mains mock practice. Ita MCQ to buza jay, question thake, answer থাকে আৰু আপুনি জানে কি আপুনি 2 hours এৰ ভিতৰত 100 questions কৰিব লাগে, and তাৰ মাজত প্ৰতিটো questionত কিমান টাইম লগাব লাগে কিমান টাইম লগাব নালাগে হেতু ইমান বৰ বিশেষ হিসাব নাই. But when it comes to mains answer writing, every question has a hisab. Every question has a hisab. Mains answer writing makes you ready to face APSC mains. Because apuni bhabibo pare ki mo schoolot to dher answer likhisilu, schoolot dher subjective answer likhisilu, but 12 or pisot, especially if you have come from a tech background or something, tar pisot ahi pele mosto subjective answer likha is actually very very difficult. Aru ei difficulty to pa ulabo karone apunar osot ki ase, apunar osot ase mains answer writing. So mains answer writing is mock of mains. Not necessarily apni gute paper kon likhibo, hobo pare apni duta question likhise, eta question likhise, but each of the question needs to be timed, each of the question needs to be brainstormed, and the question practice to tetia hai proper hobo jodi apuni etu unseen ke likhise. আপুনি ভাবিব পাৰে আনসিন কে লিখিবই তো লাগিব, নহলে প্র্যাকটিস কেনেকে? মই এনেকুৱা লৰাছলি পাইছো যোনে গুগলৰ পৰা চাই পেলা কোৱেশ্চনটো উঠাই পেলা মোক লিখি পঠাই দিছে। সো হেকাৰণে এই বস্তুটো মই কৈ দিছো, আপুনি যদি কোবাৰ পৰা সোৰ্সৰ পৰা চাই পেলা মুখস্থ মাৰি পেলা প্র্যাকটিস লিখিছে, দ্যাট ইজ নট কনসিডাৰ্ড টু বি মেইনস আনসাৰ ৰাইটিং। হেতু একো মেইনস আনসাৰ ৰাইটিং দাল কৰা নাই আপুনি এনেই লিখি আছে কিবা কিবি। বিকজ গুগলৰ পৰা যদি আপুনি বস্তু এটা চাই পেলা মুখস্থ মাৰি পেলা কোৱেশ্চনটো প্র্যাকটিস কৰে, তেতিয়াহলে ইউ আৰ নট ইউজিং দিস, you are not training your mind to think. Apuni mukhosto kori pela likhi ase, apni ki bhabise apni google pa soa bostu to question to ahibo APSC? Of course na hai. So apuni jodi kobar pora agote bole previous year question or solved pitara paise, ar he solved pitara to bole apuni mukhosto kori loise, and mukhosto kori pela apuni answer likhi ase eke kita prashno, that is not considered to be mains answer writing. Apuni jane what is that, moi nazano what is that, and that is not mains answer writing. Mo himane jano. Mains answer writing is when you take unknown questions. Apuni bole hobo pare you apni kobat eta ba kitabor pora refer korise, kono problem nai refer korat. You have taken the question, you have set in proper time frame. Mo koi thaku 10 marks or karne it should not be more than 8 to 10 minutes, and 15 marks or karne it should not be more than 12 to 13 minutes. Etu mo koi pogala hoi jao. আর 10 মার্কসৰ কাৰণে 150 words, 15 মার্কসৰ কাৰণে 250 words. যদি আপুনি ইতিয়াও পেজ ভৰা কনসেপ্টত লাগি আছে, আপুনি থাকি যাব, কিন্তু আৰু সাফাকে কবলে নাই, আপুনি থাকি যাব, পাস নাই হোগে। যদি আপুনি ইতিয়াও পেজ ভৰাত লাগি আছে, কোনবাই যদি আপোনাক ইতিয়াও পেপাৰ চাই পেলাই কৈ আছে ও ইতনা পেজ তো ভৰা হি নহয় তেনে তাকে তেওঁকে ক'ব আপুনি এক্সাম লিখি ফালিবলৈ বিকজ পেজ ভৰি পেলাই আপুনি এক্সাম ফালিব নোৱাৰে আৰু তাতকে সাফাকে মই ক'ব নোৱাৰো and I don't sugarcoat things that I keep saying you that so apuni jodi mains answer writing tetia he hoy jodi apuni unseen question eta loise unseen mane agote ne dekha itia ne dekha noy apni agote dekha nai suddenly your question you have taken from a previous year question or something apni bohise you are writing from your own mind আপনি টাইম লিমিট লগাইছে টাইমাৰ লগাইছে আপনি 10 মাৰ্কছৰ কোৱেশ্চন টু 8 to 10 মিনিটছত সলভ কৰিব বিচাৰিছে 15 মাৰ্কছৰ টু আপনি 12 to 13 মিনিটছত সলভ কৰিব বিচাৰিছে and then you are getting it checked by someone crack the exam মই বাৰে বাৰে কওঁ if you don't have a mentor who has cracked the exam আপনার ফ্রেন্ড থাকিব রিলেটিভ থাকিব আজিকালি তো বহুত চিনাকি মানুহে পায় আপনালোকৰ চিনাকি কোনবা ফ্রেন্ড কলেজৰ জুনিয়ৰ that day Pradipta was telling how one of her very close friends who is already in service helped them very much so enukwa ejon mentor loi lobo who has cracked the exam or please be in touch with your friends and relatives who have cracked the exam and teolukok nijor answer to dekhuabo why because teoluke pass করা ধরনে আনসার টু লিখি পেলাই পাস করা ধরনে আনসার টু লিখি পেলাই they have cracked the exam so their feedback will be very very valuable so know whom you are making your answer checked যদি আপনি not that credible mentor বা নিজৰ আনসার টু চেক কৰাই তো ভুলবোৰ আপোনাৰ তাতো থাকি যাব and হে ভুলবোৰ থাকি গলে আপোনাৰ attempt to loss হ'ব so be very careful with whom you are making your paper checked So now the point is when should the mains answer writing be started? That depends on your preparation. Jodi enokwa hoise ki you have given your mains before and apunar prelims to bare crack hoy so you don't have to give a lot of time to your prelims apuni jane je apuni prelims or code to jane you know how to do it you know how to crack it so prelims is not a headache for you tetia hole please concentrate fully on your mains answer writing apuni gutei concentration to mains answer writing ote dibo lage mains oriented porhate dibo lage this even right now when it's like about 3 months before your prelims tetiao you should not leave your mains answer writing practice because apunar problem area hoy mains answer writing so if you have given your mains multiple times if you have cleared prelims multiple times if it's set in interview multiple times I don't think you should even stop mains answer writing right now. Mains answer writing itiao continue kori thakok mains answer writing apunar prelims or 1.5 mah 2 mahor agot stop korilo hobo kintu itia notification ulua nai you still have some time nijor mains answer writing to continue kori thakato bahut joruri so what are we doing in sandpaper jun hokol amar foundation student ase tat Akshay Agni Ajaya Akshay student are the ones who are having an advanced batch who have written their mains multiple times teolukor mains answer writing ami solai aso teolukor live answer writing ami solai aso evening we sit and we write answers together aru jun hokolor preparation complete hoy goise like the July batch itia next month or pa September batch jar 8 mahor course almost complete hoy goise teolukok ami mains answer writing korai aso so that brings me to the second category if your preparation is not complete please don't go for mains answer writing if your preparation is not complete apuni bole basic bu na jane you don't know the basics of it and you are just sitting to write the mains answer writing this will only confuse you apunar lagibo moi dekhon na janu e question to ahise moi dekhan parai nai apni keneke paribo apunar preparation e complete nohoy your preparation is not complete kintu preparation or completion or definition to ki preparation or completion or definition to hoy the syllabus apunar syllabus complete hoise also ekhinite ma koi diu amar micro manager to loi pele majote dher halla hol je we have taken it up from somewhere else yes we have taken it up from a different source aitu kotha moi agotu koisu itiao koisu ami apni jodi notun syllabus kon sai pisfale dangor ke likhao ase it is not sandpaper's original idea but every great idea that exists for UPSC should also exist for APSC hekarne ami he great idea to customize kori pela APSC kane prepare korisu So I also have heard that despite giving it in an extremely minimal amount of only 50, it is still getting pirated. So look at that syllabus. Amar student okolor osor hetue ase, and if you want to get that, aji to updated syllabus to disu tat ahom polity bur milai disu logai disu, because some people were asking ki hetu expand kori dibo lage, so expand kori dilu ami aji. So if you have seen that syllabus and you have completed about 70% and above of that syllabus, then you should start writing your answer. Jodi enuka hoy je you have done 30% completion of syllabus and you start writing your answer, there is a high chance that you will be confused. You will be confused, you will be demotivated. Apunar enuka lagibo je apunar hoye mane hua nai, baki sobore to hoise. But henekwa nohoy. Apunar hua nai because apnar porha to complete hua nai. So first come first, you should complete your syllabus at least 70% and then sit for answer writing. That is the ideal time when you should start writing your answers. Jodi apuni bhabe je apunar porha to adha hoar pisoto apuni answer writing start korile apunar bahut bhal idea hobo, please take it from a mentor who has gone through your phase. It is not a good idea. It is not a good idea. Not a good idea. Jodi apuni nije 70% manu jodi apna syllabus complete nai, apni mains answer writing ot bohise, eta to apna time mosto waste hobo. Okay, because itia jone syllabus complete koribo parise, jone question to dekhi matha lagabo parise, brainstorming koribo parise, teoloke potokke apunar answer 12 minutes ot kori dibo hobo pare ki quality of answer to itiao improve hoak bahut scope ase, but answer kori dibo. কিন্তু যদি আপনার 70% সিলেবাস কমপ্লিট হোৱা নাই আৰু আপুনি হেনুকুৱা এটা ষ্টেটত য'ত সেটেলমেন্ট হোৱা নাই সিলেবাসটোৰ, তেতিয়া যদি আপুনি মেইনছ আনসাৰ ৰাইটিং কৰিব ট্ৰাই কৰে, দেয়াৰ ইজ এ হাই চান্স যে আপুনি নোৱাৰিব পাৰে। নোৱাৰিব বুলি কোৱা নাই, সবৰে আইকিউ বেলেগ বেলেগ হয়। মোৰ আইকিউত মই নোৱাৰিলোঁ হেতেন, ইটছ পচিবল দ্যাট ইউ হেভ আ হায়াৰ আইকিউ দেন মাইন। সো আপোনালোকৰ যদি আপনি সেটেলমেন্ট সিলেবাসটো সেটেলমেন্ট নোহোৱাকে যদি মেইনছ আনসাৰ ৰাইটিঙত দৌৰে, দেয়াৰ ইজ এ হাই চান্স যে you will get demotivated, you will get like scared যে মই কিয় পাৰা নাই, মোৰ পঢ়া হোৱা নাই নেকি। তাৰপিছত আপুনি আকৌ এটা লুপত ফচিব পাৰে য'ত আপুনি গোটেই আৰম্ভণিৰ পৰা পঢ়িবলৈ যোৱা মন কৰিব পাৰে। সো ট্ৰাই এভয়েডিং দ্যাট। সিলেবাসৰ 70% যদি আপোনাৰ কমপ্লিট হয়, দেন অনলি ইউ শুড ষ্টাৰ্ট ৰাইটিং ইউৰ আনসাৰ্ছ ইফ ইউ আৰ এ ফ্ৰেছাৰ। আৰু যদি এনেকুৱা হয় কি ইউ হেভ ৰিটেন ইউৰ মেইনছ মোৰ দেন ওৱান্স, আপুনি লিখিছে আৰু আপুনি জানে কি আপোনাৰ প্ৰব্লেম এৰিয়া মেইনছ হয়, দেন ডোণ্ট ষ্টপ এভাৰ ফ্ৰম মেইনছ আনসাৰ ৰাইটিং। আৰু মেইনছ আনসাৰ ৰাইটিংটো আপুনি প্ৰিলিমছৰ ধৰক 2 মাহমানৰ আগত ষ্টপ কৰি দিব, কিন্তু তাৰ আগতে কণ্টিনিউ কৰি থাকক, বিকজ দ্যাট ইজ ইউৰ প্ৰব্লেম এৰিয়া এণ্ড দ্যাট হেজ টু বি এড্ৰেছড। হাউ শুড দ্য মেইনছ আনসাৰ ৰাইটিং বি ডান, সেইটো একচুৱেলি মই ফাৰ্ষ্ট শ্লাইডত ক'লোঁ। মই হ'লে কি বা মই কি কৰিছিলোঁ ইন মাই টাইম, যে আই ষ্টাৰ্টেড উইথ প্ৰিভিয়াছ ইয়েৰ কুৱেশ্যন। মই যদি 70% সিলেবাস মই কমপ্লিট কৰিলোঁ, মই সিলেবাছত টিক মাৰিলোঁ, মই এইটো কৰিলোঁ, আৰু মই এটা টপিক উঠাম, সেই টপিকটো মই গুগল ইন কৰি ল'ম যে গিভ মি PYQs অফ দিছ টপিক, মে বি প্ৰবিটি ইন গভৰ্নেন্সৰ মোৰ টপিকটো দি দিয়া, মই সেইটো লিখিম। অ'কে, চ' প্ৰবিটি ইন গভৰ্নেন্স লিখাৰ পিছত you find out the previous year questions and you start writing it by blind. Ag piece etu keneke hobo keneke no hobo, don't rely on other resources, you see the question and start writing it blindly. And trust me, because you have studied the topic, because apni 70% syllabus complete korise, apuni topic or answer to likhibo paribo. So write to gome pai intro, body, structure, conclusion. This is the structure of a answer. It is simple as that gome pai. Aru moi mains answer writing or kisuman like duta video ami bonai thoisu, moi yat lagile description ot logai dim, hedegita apni sabo pare। আজি মই চাই আছিলো 2000-3000 view আছে তাত। So start writing the answer directly, and when you start writing the answer, time yourself. আপুনি 10 মাৰ্কৰ কুৱেশ্যনটোত কিমান টাইম লগাইছে, আপুনি 15 মাৰ্কৰ কুৱেশ্যনটোত কিমান টাইম লগাইছে। মই মোৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টসকলৰ পেপাৰত দেখা পাওঁ, some of them have started doing this, start time, end time, wonderful। মই শিকোৱা নাই, এইটো নিজে নিজে কৰিছে, এইটো তেওঁলোকে নিজে নিজে কৰিছে, আপোনালোককো শিকাই দিছোঁ। পেপাৰখনৰ ওপৰত তেওঁলোকে নিজকে টাইম কৰিছে, ষ্টাৰ্ট টাইম, এণ্ড টাইম, so that they know যে তেওঁলোকৰ টাইম বেছি লাগিছে নে কম লাগিছে। because if you are taking 25 minutes and you're producing an excellent answer, apuni to 15 napai no 10 or bhajot, apuni to 10 or bhajot tothapi 7 pabo 6 pabo. So please understand that you need to time yourself very properly. Jodi apni nijoke time nokore, then the whole purpose of mains answer writing goes to waste. So time koribo. Also likhar pisot nijor answer to word by word count koribo. যে আপোনাৰ হেণ্ডৰাইটিঙত 150 ৱৰ্ডছ মানে কিমান পেজ হয়, কাৰোবাৰ কাৰণে 1.5 পেজ হ'ব পাৰে, কাৰোবাৰ কাৰণে 2 পেজ হ'ব পাৰে, মোৰ কাৰণে 1.5 পেজ হয়, কাৰোবাৰ বেলেগৰ ডাঙৰ হেণ্ডৰাইটিঙৰ কাৰণে 2 পেজেছ হ'ব পাৰে। আৰু এটো কাউন্ট কৰিব যে 250 ৱৰ্ডছত আপোনাৰ কে পেজ লাগে, কাৰোবাৰ 2 পেজ, কাৰোবাৰ 3 পেজ লাগিব পাৰে। আৰু এটো মই আপোনালোকক কিয় কৰিব দিছো, so that on the day of exam, আপুনি এটা আই এষ্টিমেশ্যন কৰিব পাৰে যে আপোনাৰ একচুয়ালি আনসাৰটো হৈছে কিমান, হাউ মাচ হ্যাভ ইউ ৰিটেন ইন দ্য আনসাৰ। তেতিয়া আপুনি 1 2 3 4 কে গণি থাকিব নালাগে, বিকজ দ্যাট উইল ওয়েস্ট আ লট অফ ইয়োর টাইম ইন মেইনস। আপনি চকু পুৰালে গম পাব, আচ্ছা এখন পেপাৰত মই 1.5 পেজ লিখছো, তাৰ মানে মোৰ মোটামুটি 150 ৱৰ্ডছ হৈ গৈছে। এজ আ মেন্টৰ আমাৰ ফ্ৰিকুৱেন্টলি যাৰ আমি কপি চেক কৰোঁ, তেওঁলোকৰ আনসাৰ চাই আমি ক'ব পৰা হৈ যাওঁ কি তই ইয়াত কম লিখিছ, তই ইয়াত বেছি লিখিছ। ইটস আননেচেসাৰী, ইট ইজ more than required যে you increase the number. So হেনেকে আপুনি এটা আই এষ্টিমেশ্যন কৰি পেলাই নিজকে ট্ৰেইন কৰি ল'ব, so that you understand যে 150 ৱৰ্ডছৰ মোৰ ইমান হয়, 200 ৱৰ্ডছৰ মোৰ ইমান হয়। Then only you will be able to do a correct mains answer writing. Okay, next. So this is an ad of a January batch. Already our registrations very close hoise. So if you see the testimonial, Yadav Himanshu have said that mains answer writing and live evaluation and events impact. So we had a lot of toppers with us in our mains answer writing program, which we have not started yet, we'll start. But mains answer writing out, we had Himanshu, we had Pradeepta, we had Nilakshi, we had Sabrina, we had Jyotishmita, we had so many toppers with us. And like I said, it is the oldest mains answer writing program in the whole APSA history. So this is an ad for our January batch. Our January batch start hoise from 28th January. Registration is getting quite close. Ami already plans and bonai lolu, manublakok group support add koriye dilo. And I will be starting the batch for polity this time with batch of January. So like I said, 50% of our students are officers, and I keep saying be it today or tomorrow you will need our mentorship. And what we do in foundation program, je apunalukor jetia hek hobo hoy towards the end of your course, when we understand that we have completed more than 70% of your syllabus, you and I sit together for a live answer writing, which is not found in anywhere in Assam. It's found in UPSC, that too not very common, in 1-2 centers you find it. But live answer writing out, মই ভাবিছিলো আজিৰ ভিডিওটো খুলি দেখাম, but I'm very scared the concept will be stolen. So live answer writing out, you and I, we sit together on an online platform. I give you an unseen question, you write, we discuss, and we check on spot je apnalokor right hoise ne wrong hoise, and we make you use this. We don't rely on I that day found out je kisman coaching center kiba bole keyword di dia. These are beyond horrifying for me to know je ami robot banai disu amar aspirant ok je you take this, you gili diok etu keyword gili diok, previous year question gili diok, and we are expecting that they will perform in mains answer writing. Apni gilibo goise mukhosto korbo goise, you will not perform in mains answer writing, not perform, likh ke de diya hai. You will not perform. You will have to use your brain, you will have to be analytical, you will have to rely on good concept, your analysis to have a good mains answer writing. So in foundation batch, porwar loge loge, we at the end of your 70% syllabus, we make you sit for the live answer writing. Evening mein we sit together, we do live answer writing, and we make sure that till the time our students are reaching mains, they should be there to do excellent answer your mains. So January batch or admissions are open. I think you should not miss this opportunity to be with us. I would have liked a mentor like myself in my time, but there was none, so I am here for you guys now. And like I said, this is your plan A for APSC personalized one-on-one mentorship. Live answer writing is taken by me. Execution part, former officer. Execution part, mains answer writing part is completely taken off by a former officer, so that you know what to do right to become an officer in future. Okay, only their January batch or admissions are going on. We are starting from 28th. I am starting from 28th this batch, and we have proven track records. Maybe we don't have loudspeakers to talk about it loudly, but we have proven track records of our good performance. We have got testimonials for our good performance, and we have faith, authenticity, and the smart mentorship with us. So today or tomorrow you will need our mentorship. Hence, join Sandpaper today. It's not just another coaching center, it's Sandpaper. Thank you.